Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a tool that can create, schedule, and post all your social media content for you while you focus on growing your business? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's real, and it's called BuzzAgentsAI. Let's be honest, keeping up with social media is exhausting. Hours spent brainstorming captions, editing videos, posting at the right time. And still, the results aren't guaranteed. But what if you had a digital assistant that never sleeps and never runs out of ideas? That's exactly what BuzzAgentsAI does. Think of it as your personal AI-powered marketing team in your pocket. With just a few clicks, you can create smart AI agents that know your brand, your tone, and your goals. These agents don't just write posts, they craft engaging captions, create scroll-stopping videos, use your keywords, and even publish content across all your platforms automatically. Here's where it gets exciting: fully customizable AI agents, quirky, professional, or anywhere in between. Drag and drop editor, add images, subtitles, and polish your content instantly. Automated posting, your agents publish for you while you focus on sales, strategy, or simply enjoying your free time. Imagine this: you're running your online shop. Instead of stressing about daily posts, your AI agent promotes your new products, shares customer reviews, and even posts fun behind-the-scenes content, all without you lifting a finger. More visibility, more engagement, more sales. So if you're ready to stop wasting hours and finally take your social media to the next level, don't wait. Click the link in the description right now to try BuzzAgents AI and watch your content game transform overnight. BuzzAgents AI isn't just another tool, it's your shortcut to consistent, professional, and high-converting social media. Try it today and thank yourself tomorrow. See you on the inside.